Hey, Edgar from FunnelTopia here. A quick feature update, which is a personal favorite of mine as of recently. We now have entrance animations for text elements in either the funnel page builder or website page builder, right? So I'm in a funnel, I'm just editing a page, added a few headline elements, and if you click on one of them, you can see there's an animations option. You can just kind of click on these different options, and you can see, once the page is open or once people have scrolled down to a specific section, like let's say this section is further down the page, once they have scrolled down to it, it will trigger an animation, right? So we can do something like this, and for the next one we can do something like, I don't know, there's different kinds, right? Like this. And then for the next one, obviously we're going to overkill this, but everything in moderation. And then you can do this cool thing for, let's say there's a section where you outline like the features, right? There's like a headline, and then there's like a description, or you can just kind of easily add these animations to the text elements, and it kind of makes it stand out. But yeah, don't do it for all the text elements on the page, then it's a bit of an overkill, and it doesn't, it beats the purpose really. But yeah, you can just kind of do that, and essentially, yeah, we can just go preview the page, I guess. We can see what it looks like. It will look horrendous, but you can see the functionality at least, right? There's like different things. If you refresh the page, right? Different types of animations, so that's pretty cool. It just gives you more flexibility to kind of uh, make your page more visually appealing, along with the shadows that I talked about on the other video. That's another favorite of mine as of recently, like shadows for the elements. I don't think, yeah, over here you can see my horrendous blue shadow that I created. But yeah, some cool new features. Definitely put these to good use. They just, don't overkill. Don't use them on every text element, and then they will make your page look better. But yeah, that's it for this one. Definitely go try them out here. Text elements, animations. If you have any questions about this or anything else FunnelTopia related, click on down here, 24/7 chat support. Let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible, as per usual. And yeah, but if you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.